the easy, 3 minutes exercises that muffled my horrendous snoring and sleep apnea and have since helped thousands of people, often the very first night. Once in a lifetime, a complete miracle happens. Something strikes you out of the blue that changes everything. Discovering this simple treatment for stubborn snoring and horrendous sleep apnea was one of those miracles. Because not only did it change everything for my wife and me, it has since helped thousands of people all over the world. And it happened on a day I least expected, as I'll explain in a second. Most amazingly, the stop snoring exercises I'm about to teach you work immediately. Use them for 3 to 7 minutes today and experience the amazing results as soon as tonight. Are effortless, because your snoring happens in the delicate breathing passages. Loosening up and opening these parts takes no physical effort. Unlike doing deadlifts in the gym, it is more like chewing on a great meal. So, everyone can do these snoring exercises, no matter age or physical shape. In fact, you can mindlessly do the exercises anywhere, anytime, while stuck in traffic, surfing the net, watching TV, or wherever suits you. Treat even the worst cases of snoring and sleep apnea. I'm my best testimonial, as you'll learn in a second. But thousands of people all over the world have already succeeded using these exercises. I'll also share the stories later, if you like. And because the exercises are so easy and take so little time, you'll stick to them and not give up. Plus, when you experience such immediate results, you'll be extremely motivated to keep on going. Now I've a question for you. What feeling would you associate the most with snoring? Irritation? Shame? Anger? Sadness, others, or all of those combined? For me it was shame. Check out description to get more information.